digital marketing, strategies, trends, and best practices for success. Abstract. Digital marketing has transformed the way businesses connect with their target audience. In the digital age, it encompasses a wide range of online, marketing techniques designed to reach, engage, and convert potential customers. The core concepts of digital marketing, including its importance, various strategies, tools, trends, and best practices to succeed in the highly competitive digital landscape. Introduction to Digital Marketing 1.1 What is digital marketing? 1.2 The evolution of digital marketing. 1.3 Why is digital marketing important? Key components of digital marketing. 2.1 Search engine optimization SEO. 2 pay-per-click PPC advertising. 2.3 Content marketing. 2.4 Social media marketing. 2.5 Email marketing. 2.6 Influencer marketing. 2.7 Affiliate marketing. 2.8 Online PR and reputation management. Developing a digital marketing strategy. 3.1 Defining goals and objectives. 3.2 Identifying target audience and buyer personas. Three point 3 Conducting competitor analysis. 3.4 Choosing the right digital marketing channels. 3.5 Budget allocation and ROI measurement. Search engine optimization SEO. 4.1 Understanding search engine algorithms. 4.2 Keyword research and analysis. 4.3 On-page SEO best practices. 4.4 Off-page SEO strategies. 4.5 Technical SEO and website optimization. 4.6 Local SEO tips. Pay-per-click PPC advertising. 5.1 Introduction to PPC advertising. 5.2 Google Ads, formerly AdWords, and Bing Ads. 5.3 Creating effective PPC campaigns. 5.4 Bid strategies and budgeting. 5.5 Ad extensions and ad copy best practices. 5.6 Measuring PPC campaign performance. Content marketing. 6.1 Content strategy and planning. 6.2 Types of content and content formats. 6.3 Content creation and curation. 6.4 Content distribution and promotion. 6.5 Measuring content marketing success. Social media marketing. 7.1 Utilizing different social media platforms. 7.2 Building and engaging a social media community. Seven point three Social media advertising and targeting. 7.4 Influencer marketing on social media. 7.5 Social media analytics and performance measurement. Email marketing. 8.1 Building an email list and segmentation. 8.2 Creating engaging email campaigns. 8.3 Automation and personalization. 8.4 Email deliverability and compliance. 8.5 Analyzing email marketing metrics. Influencer marketing. 9.1 Understanding influencer marketing. 9.2 Finding the right influencers for your brand. 9.3 Collaborating with influencers and campaign management. 9.4 Measuring the impact of influencer marketing. Affiliate marketing. 10.1 The basics of affiliate marketing. 10.2 Setting up an affiliate program. 10.3 Finding and recruiting affiliates. 10.4 Tracking and measuring affiliate performance. 11 PR and reputation management. 11.1 Importance of online PR and reputation management. 11.2 Monitoring online brand mentions. 11.3 Responding to online reviews and feedback. 11.4 Crisis management and handling negative PR. Digital marketing trends. 12.1 Voice search and smart speakers. 12.2 Artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning. 12.3 Video marketing and live streaming. 12.4 Chatbots and conversational marketing. Twelve point five Personalization and customer experience. Best practices for successful digital marketing. 13.1 Creating high quality and engaging content. 13.2 Mobile optimization and responsive design. 13.3 Data privacy and security. 13.4 A/B testing and continuous optimization. Conclusion. 14.1 The future of digital marketing. 14.2 Embracing innovation and adaptation. Thanks for watching.